I didn't eat breakfast, so then I had to supper. And sometimes I wouldn't even eat supper because I wasn't even hungry.
Wilson, this is Wilson. We're gonna hit him around a little bit.
You know what we should do, Kenna?
Oh! Oh!
You know what we should do? Okay, you know that Jenna girl? No, Jenna Marbles or whatever.
Yeah.
And how she makes these weird random videos? We should, like, start a blog, Kenna.
No.
Yeah. That'd be fun.
But I don't want to do stupid stuff like this.
We're not doing stupid stuff like this.
Like her.
No, we talk about, like, real issues that people have, not, like, stupid shit like her. Oh my god.
That was hectic.
Like, we talk about, like, school stuff, like bullies and stuff like that.
That's stupid stuff.
Well, what do you want to do?
Just make videos and post them on YouTube. That hit my nail.
I know, I heard that.
Like my blog, I just have videos of what I just recorded the past summer. And then I put 2012 after.